Hey everybody, hope you guys are all having an amazing day and had a good Christmas and holiday season. As far as Bitcoin's concerned, guys, let's take a quick peek at it. We're going to be looking at the day chart, the 4-hour chart, and the 15-minute chart just to guide and give you guys a gist of what you guys should be doing here, or some safety protocols just in case things don't go away. The good news is in the short term here, you can see almost this pennant right here with this white line. Let me just turn it to a different color just so you can differentiate it. Let's go light blue. Yeah, that'll be fine. Trend line here, resistance is actually right here at the Fibonacci level. So that's what we need to break above. We look like we're about to break above it right now. And I believe that's because we're breaking above the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart, okay? So if we do break out of this and we do manage to hold here, we'll look at the 4-hour chart in just a second. Your price target's going to be right up here at the 50-day moving average. We may be able to break above that, maybe even hit close to 55,000 on this Fibonacci line. But I would say closer to this 50-day moving average just because of this previous level of support that we have right down here. I could see us coming right over here. Now, that doesn't mean we're not going to break out of it eventually and keep on going up. I'm just talking about if you guys are playing this specific breakout right here and you guys are trading with a little bit of leverage, you guys could have a price target of about $53,504, okay? Now, let me get rid of that one. Or actually, I can keep it. Now, let's go over to the 4-hour chart. If my dog growls, I'm sorry. There's a whole bunch of snow outside, and one of our neighbors is shoveling up his driveway, and he's not a fan of getting rid of the snow. But here you go. You can see we broke above the 200 moving average. We're currently trying to push up above the Fibonacci, which we're barely able to do. But look at this, guys. The 20 is about to move across the 20 is about to cross over the 200, and the 50 is looking to cross above the 200 here pretty soon. So I think Bitcoin's on the right track for now. If you guys are looking for some type of stop loss level, you could always use 49,426, or you could just try to take a short loss right here for that one. And that doesn't mean it's going to fall back down to here, but it gives you an opportunity to sell some off for a profit if you were able to buy this breakout and buy more down here. So whenever it does kind of gear back up, you'll be good to go. But for now, everything looks fine. On this 4-hour candle, we have another 2.5 hours basically. It looks like it wants to surge. So that's the good news there. Now moving into the 15-minute chart, look at this. Still grinding, still looks fine. There's some volume there. The one thing I do want to see here is I do want to see a continuation. I really don't want to see us come back down right now, although it's definitely possible if shorts kind of attack us. But we really do need to keep this pace up just to kind of keep enthusiasm up. A lot of people are not trading because it's the holidays. A lot of the more day trader types, they usually take off, a few good days here. But that doesn't mean that, it's going to have a problem here because whales usually lead the charge. So far, golden cross is there. Golden cross is on the 30. Golden cross is on the 45. Golden cross is on the 1 hour. Everything is looking pretty darn good at the moment. There we go. Golden crosses here and here. So things are looking better and better. And we're pretty close to having our golden crosses on the 4-hour chart. And then we won't have any on the daily chart because we never had a death cross. But at least on the daily chart, we might be able to get a golden cross just with the 20-day moving average crossing over the 50. But that will not happen until 2022, sometime in early January. Okay? So maybe January is going to be the month where we start going really big and parabolic. That's what I'm hoping for at the moment. I know a lot of us were expecting December to be that time of the year, but we got beat down from shorts right here after a failed breakout attempt after 4 or 5 days. Yeah. All right, everybody. Sorry for the fast video. I will be going live tonight at 7 p.m. Pacific time. Hope to see you then and have a great rest of your day.